Okay, we'll be going over very quickly how to winterize your outside hose, outdoor hose. First and foremost, very important, this step is very important, you must remove the disconnected hose from the faucet. This is the most critical steps. So that way, the water inside the hose and also inside the faucet, all the residue water does not end up freezing in the winter. So you want to drain out the hose and completely disconnect and make sure it's closed. So what I have here is the faucet protector. I picked this up from Lowe's, or you can get it from any local hardware store. This has the foam on the inside, protected by the outer shell, polycarbonate plastic to protect the foam. Yeah. So what you do is basically get all this water out here first. Make sure it is fairly dry. Okay. Okay. When that's all done, you want to put this, and here's a notch here, knob. So how we do this is we want to hang this knot around the top of the faucet here. So this acts like a locking mechanism here. Okay, when that's done, I'm gonna just make sure that everything is tightly sealed here. Okay, perfect fit. Fit up and down. Okay, press it in. So there's no elements can go in between this compartment and the hose. Push it in hard. At the same time, pull this string so it kind of locks itself. And with this zip lock, just pull it all the way and just lock it. Yes. That should hold it. Okay? Looks good. Looking good. So there you have it. That's how you winterize your outdoor garden hose faucet. Thanks for watching.